Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage M2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. Let's start by pressing the back button to open the menu. Once you open the menu, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Now scroll through the menu, select the settings icon, and once you select it, press the middle button to enter. Here, scroll down by using the down button, select the time and date, and then press the middle button to enter. And as you can see, here we have time, date, and other settings. To adjust the time, select the time option and press the middle button, select the time format, and then press the middle button, and now we can adjust the time on our watch. To do it, use the up and down buttons to adjust the hour, then press the middle button, adjust the minutes, then press the middle button to confirm. Now let's adjust the date, so select the date option and press the middle button, adjust the year, month, day, and then press the middle button again to confirm. Another thing we can change is the date format, so if you select it and press middle button, you can select one of the formats. And last thing we can change is the first day of the week. If you select it, you can select Monday, Saturday or Sunday. So select the day you like as the first day of the week. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.